This is Attorney Joe DeFranco, and I'm an attorney in the Central Florida area. I handle personal injury cases and what are called first-party insurance disputes. As a matter of fact, the first-party insurance disputes make up the majority of my practice. I handle any type of insurance dispute that you could have, including homeowners, which is, again, the primary bulk of what I do and my primary bulk of my practice. I also handle first-party disputes involving health insurance, life insurance, and any other type of, again, insurance coverage between the individual prospective client and the insurance company. One of the questions I get with respect to homeowners claims is, will I have to incur my deductible? In some cases, these deductibles are rather large. Hurricane deductibles can be as much as 2 to 3 to 5% of the home's value, and that can be several thousands of dollars. Oftentimes, prospective clients don't have that sort of money on hand following a storm. It's important that you seek legal representation whenever you're confronted with a situation like that. Oftentimes, we find that there are ways of negating that deductible. Not that you still, in theory and on paper, have to incur the deductible, but there are ways of basically developing other sorts of expenses and damages that you can that can help defray the cost of that deductible. So it's extremely important that you seek legal representation anytime that you have a claim like this for damage to your home. Again, the consultation will be absolutely free. You can simply contact our office and we can go through this process with you. And again, that's at no cost, no obligation. But oftentimes we found we can help people that are faced with a rather large deductible. Another question we get is, what happens during the time that you're forced out of your home as a result of one of these claims? And there is a coverage under your policy that covers the loss of use of your home as a result of a covered loss. Again, oftentimes insurance companies may not make you aware of that coverage, and that's really where your consultation with an insurance expert, a legal expert in this field comes into play, and it can be valuable to you. So I highly recommend anytime, again, whether or not a dispute has already occurred with your insurance company, the moment you have damage to your home, particularly as a result of a hurricane, reach out to someone, seek guidance, seek some representation. In our situation, there is absolutely no cost and certainly no obligation, and as a result, there's really no risk to you, at least speaking with someone from our office regarding this matter. Now, another sort of question I get as it relates to homeowners claims is a situation where the insurance company has already paid you some money. You've already reached out, reported the claim to the insurance company. Sometimes you didn't seek any legal guidance. Don't worry about that. If you fail to do it and you've already reached out to the insurance company, made contact with them, and they've asked you questions, even taken a recorded statement, it's still not too late. What we'll do is get a copy of the statement you provided. Make sure that the information that you provided is actually accurate in terms of what you intended to say, because a lot of times in the recorded statement people make mistakes and say things they didn't mean to say because they were just they overlooked something. So it's important that we do that. But at the end of the day, in situations where you've already contacted the insurance company and they can't come out and paid an amount, that doesn't mean that you still can't get additional benefits from your insurance company. It doesn't mean that that your claim is closed in any way, shape, or form. Again, if you're in a situation like this, it is very important that you seek legal guidance and consult with an attorney or some other legal expert as soon as possible. I highly encourage you to contact our office. We have individuals that are available to discuss literally every step of the claims process with you. I appreciate it. And again, any questions, please feel free to contact our office. And I thank you very much.